All right, what is this, day 4? All right, here we are. Got some 16 footers, 1x4, so we could put the gunnels. I'm gonna start on the inside, get my straight line, and we'll see where we go. The chime logs, nice, solid. Got a planet here, very nice. Everything is good. I got some high spots, but that's what I guess the planet is for. But yeah, it's coming along. I still gotta chop this off, but I don't know. I'm thinking of making, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe when I flip it over, I'll get like a ramp going. I don't know. So I think I found my little problem here. I put some shims up here just to give me a little gap over here, so I could have a helping hand supporting this whole 16-foot length while I align it and I screw it on. All right, so here we go. All right, now we're gonna see if this is nice and plumb, and we're gonna use a line level on a string. Make sure this is nice and straight. All right, we got money here. Gonna eyeball it to see if this. All right, we got money. We're good. All right, so this rib was a little out of plumb, and just put a strap and we got it straight. There you go. Just minor adjustments, no biggie. Okay, we put the second one, and I removed that 2x4 because the reason I had that 2x4 here is when that rain was, when we had those 2 days of rain, this won't warp. So I had that 2x4 keep them straight. Now this is gonna keep them straight, and this is it. Starting to look like a boat. Well, there it is. You might ask yourself, where is the other side? The other side, it's up here. After I put this side on, I'm gonna put it on the outside, glue it nice, so get some nice aspect to it. All right, well, there it is. Let me cut this one up, and we'll come back to you guys. Okay, Drew, where is my Drew? S-a acolo sus, s-a închis. All right, we got us boat. Okay. Oh, there it is. One side. Starting to look like a boat, huh? One side. Looking straight. Not too wobbly. Yeah, who said 1/4-inch plywood is not strong? It is strong. You put enough ribs in it. And when you put 2 layers of fiberglass with epoxy, it's going to become even stronger. Look how strong it is now. All right, now the moment of everything. You were saying, where is this? There it is, right up here. There you go. Voila. This is what that is. Give a nice look. Alright, well, before we go to this, let's finish the other side. Alright, let me start making some measurements, some cuts, and I made a cutting table here. I'm going to show you when I set up and I get ready to cut how I use it. So here is, I'm ready to start cutting. So I set this up at 1 3/8 because that's how much the gap is here. And here we go. What is this? Day 5 Yeah, I think it's day 5. All right, we're gonna try to work on it today again. I don't know if Mother Nature will let us, because we have some crazy clouds over there, but we'll see. We're doing a little bit at a time. Goal is today is to glue and screw down the bottom. But until we do that, we got some finishing to do. You see there's a little bit here. Gotta do some planning. Gotta do some fitting in nice. But other than that, man, this Marine 5200, man, that's the stuff. 22 bucks a tube, but it's worth it. All right, so I don't know how much you could see here, but the planner did a nice job. We're nice, smooth, leveled. Just got to clean it up and put some glue, and here we go. All right. All right, so where we left off? Oh, we trimmed this. All right, so I stained it. Since I am never gonna see this again, I put stain on it. You know, wood is very good, but it does need a little help when it comes to water. But it's very good. The older it gets, if it gets wet and then dry, wet, dry, that's good. It's not good when it stays wet all the time. So we stain the frames, because once we put the floor on it, we'll never see this ever again. So we just wanted to make sure that they're nice and protected. And now we're doing the bottom, the inside of the boat bottom. I'm only doing where it contacts the frames, because I'll do this later, because I'm kind of in a hurry, because remember I told you the weather's not gonna let me? Well, it's not gonna let me, so hopefully I have enough time to finish this and then put them upside down, let them get dry, and come back another day and glue them.